Hi there, everybody. It's Elle from the Weet team, and today I'm going to just go over some of the key differences between two of the major video recording softwares out there, and that's Weet and Screencast-O-Matic. So with Screencast-O-Matic, there's actually going to be a watermark on your video, and that is not the case with Weet. Weet also is going to allow you to record with as many collaborators as you want. So you can actually record with your teammates and clients and anyone you'd like, even if you're on opposite sides of the world. Whereas with Screencast-O-Matic, there's only one video creator. Weet does not make you install any software to get going, whereas Screencast-O-Matic actually requires you to download some software before you can start creating. With Screencast-O-Matic, their browser extension actually does access the website and some of the information of the browser that you're using and the website that you're using. And Weet does not do that. We value your privacy. Our extension will not access the website that you're navigating through. And the last thing I want to point out is that with Weet, you can continue editing your video even after you've saved it, after you've shared it with other people. If you want to make changes, it will just automatically be updated and pushed out to everyone. And with Screencast-O-Matic, once you've saved your video and created it, there is no going back. You're stuck with what you recorded that first time. So I just want to point out that Weet was really built to be the perfect intersection of flexible communication and rich communication. So what that means is you get the flexibility of Slack and email, and you also get the richness of a live meeting. You just don't all have to be there at the same time. So we hope that you enjoy Weet as much as we do. Thank you so much, and happy weeding.